I, Dr.Ashwin Dobariya, welcomes you to Programming in C video series. In this practical video, we will discuss the program which display maximum number out of 3 number using logical operators. Friends, in the previous video, we have already discussed the similar type of programs, but that programs we have developed with the help of nested if else. The same type of program to display maximum number out of 3 number using logical operators. So in this program you will learn how you can use the logical operators in a different way. So we discuss the first definition of this program. C program which display maximum number. Here out of 3, it means we have to input 3 different numbers, 3 different values, and out of these 3 different, which is the maximum number that we have to display as output, but here we have to use the logical operators. Friends, to know the more about the logical operators, I have already uploaded the videos on the operator parts. You can view the link of the same video has been given in the description part also. First you verify and view these videos so you can get the clear-cut idea about the logical operators. And in this program we will see how we can implement the logical operators in a C program. So let's see where we can use the logical operators. So how we can think about the logic of this program. So here we have to think about the how many inputs we require to give in our program. So here first we have to input 3 numbers. So we declare x, y and z are 3 variable that we will give as an input to our program. For example, the demo value is x is equal to 5, y is equal to 8 and z is equal to 4. Now, once we input these 3 values in a program, then we have to write the actual logic, and that logic we have to write using the logical operators. Sorry. And that logical operator will display the outputs. Now, how we can draw the flowchart of this? So, here first we require 3 variables that will give as an input. Suppose x is equal to 5, y 8 and z 4. And all 3 we have declared as a integers. Now, as you know that there are 3 logical operators in C language. One is and AND is represented using double ampersand. Another is the OR, that is represented with the help of pipe sign, and NOT operators. One important question that when we can use these AND or OR operators. So remember friends, whenever we want to check multiple conditions, more than one condition, at that time we have to use the either AND or OR operators, right? If we want to use only a single condition, then no need of this AND operator over here. But suppose in a single statement we want to check 2 different conditions. Here first condition is x greater than y and second condition is x greater than z. In that case we can use either AND or OR depending on our requirement. So here how we can check which is the maximum numbers out of these 3. Then what we will do, first we will take the first number and we will compare with the second and we will compare with the third. So how we can write the condition? If x greater than y, first condition x greater than y and same x greater than z. If both the conditions are true, it means here x is also greater than y and here x is greater than z. It means if both the conditions are true, then AND will return a true. And if it is written true, it means x is maximum out of 3. But suppose if one of the condition is false, means it may be possible that x is less than y or x less than z. So if one of the condition become false, then overall AND return false. Then this condition become false. Then next condition inside that will check y is greater than z. If y is greater than z, it means here y is already greater than x. So y greater than z, it means y is greater, otherwise z is greater. So in that way we can use the logical operators. Even in a practical we'll see which are the different way to use these logical operators. So let's see the practicals in Turbo C. Here in this program, this is the program which display the maximum number out of these 3. First we require to include 2 header files stdio.h and conio.h. After that in a main function will declare three variables x, y and z, then clear screen, which clear the output screen. Now first we will take the input of three number from user. So first number how we can take as a input? So we will give a first message, enter first number, and user will enter any value of number x. Then that value will be stored in a x variable using scanf function. So scanf %j %x. Similarly, we will take the input of value of y. So enter the second number y, then using scanf, whatever value will be entered, that is stored in the y variable. Similarly, we will take the input of third variable z using scanf z. So using this these statement, first we will input three values in our program. So x, y and z now having the three value. Now here we can use a many different logic. So here first let's see this logic, then we'll come out on this logic. First we will check the if x greater than y and x greater than z. If it means if x is greater than y and x is greater than z, means if x is greater than both the number y and z, it means this condition becomes true. And if this condition becomes true, then it will execute the next statement. It means x is maximum and that is the value. But suppose if one of the condition become false, it means x is not greater than y or x is not greater than z, then the control comes over here else. Then inside the else again we will check if x is not greater than y is greater than z. If y is greater than z, it means y is maximum, because here x is already less. That's why we have compared the second number with the third. And if the second number is greater than third, then second is maximum. Otherwise, if this condition become false, it means z is maximum. Then in else part, we will see z is maximum. Then program is over. So this is again one of the example of a nested if else, right? And if we run this program, and suppose if I input 10, 5 and 23, then see z is the maximum 23. So here this is very simple logic of, and the same programs I have given the link of this source code in this video description part, so you can download this source code and do the practicals at your home. Now if I keep these conditions in a comment, and let's see the different logics using again the another type of logic of AND operators. But see here what is the difference between these two different type of condition. Here also we have mentioned if condition, but here there is no else. It means as per the theory of conditional statement, if we write only a if statement, it's a simple if without else. So here we have written only a simple if statement without else part. Now here in first condition we are checking x with other two number. It means x is greater y and x is greater z. If this condition becomes true, then it means x is greater from both the numbers, so x is maximum. In second condition we are checking second number with other two number, like y is greater than x and y is greater than z. It means y is maximum. And in third condition we are checking third number with other two numbers, z is greater than x and z is greater than y, and z is maximum. But what is the problem? It's not a problem. If we run this program, it will execute properly without any errors, gives the correct answer also. But as far as the execution is concerned, this condition is not better, you can say. Why? Because it check all these three conditions. Even we know that x is greater out of 2, then also it will check, then also it will check. But here in this condition what happen? If condition becomes true, then it will execute this part. After that it will not execute else part. Even if condition become false, then it will directly jump over here. Even if this condition false, then it only execute the else part. But here in this case there is no else part. So what happen? Each and every time it check all these three conditions, and we know that at a time only one condition will be a true, but still it verify the each and every condition. So this is a very simple logic of this program, how we can display the maximum number out of this 3 numbers. So I hope friends you understood this logic, and in this video description part I have also mentioned the link of other theory and practical video link for your reference. So please friends, like this video, share with your friends so they can also get the maximum benefits, and whatever program we have discussed in this video, that program source code link I have mentioned in this video description part, so you can download that. And in next video we will discuss another programs like a C program which display again maximum number, but in this program we will discuss how we can use the conditional operator to display maximum number. So please friends, subscribe this video for updates of upcoming videos. So thank you very much.